make more darker, and I use this one toner density spray. So I just make darker, a little bit spray it, let it draw there. Paper for copy, it's like foil, copy paper, or how it's called, like trace paper. So, and I put face down, okay, and I just put something in order to get pressure on it. So I just close it. I just adjust to 1 power, very little power. So very light power, 1 is enough. I just flash it, push button, it's done. So that is how I get more density for my stencil, more darker. And I just remove it. It's already sticked to the ink. I see. So the stencil is done, and I apply this spray second time. I just dry it up. So it is already dried up. So I cover up with protective foil. Okay, like that. So I have my part. So, and I should put in place in that rectangle. In that rectangle I should place it. So I just put it there and place my part. Just align with my rectangle. It is done. It is proper place. I will show you. So I see our part properly adjusted within that rectangle from each side. Just close it. So I set my time to 5 power. Yeah. And now I just flash it. It's done. So I just remove. So the stencil is done. Very nice and sharp. Yeah, you see. So I'm gonna to adjust to this one printer. So yes, you can have the ability to fill it up if you need to add ink.